In the previous video, we have learned about the static data members of a class. Now the question is, can we have the static methods in a class? The answer is yes. We already have seen the public static void main string array args method. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 5 of Java and Web, user defined data types. In this video, we will learn about the static methods of a class. A method which can work only on the class level variable, that is a static variable and local variable, is called the static method. The static methods are supposed to work on a variable which are common to the all objects. That's how the static methods can work only on the static variables and can create the local variables inside their method bodies. Static methods are class level methods which can be called by the object references or by using the name of the class. You can see here in this case the method hello is static. So inside the body of the method hello, only class level data or local variables can be used. We cannot use any statement inside the body of the static method hello which is different for different objects. Here printing hello is not different for different objects. So we can write this statement inside the method hello. Operations inside the static method must be class level and common to each object. That's why we cannot use instance variables inside the static methods. Since the static methods don't do any object specific operation, so we can call the static method before the object creation using the class name. That's how we do not need to create an object of the class to call its static method. Without creating a class, just by using the class name, we can call the static method of the given class. The main method, main with the string array args, is a static method called by JVM without any object creation. You know that when we pass the class name containing method main to the JVM, then the JVM do not create any object of that class. The JVM call the static method main of the given class using the class name only. That's why the class containing the method main runs before the object creation. Here in this case, the method hello in the class add is not doing anything specific to a particular object, so can be declared as a static. That's how here we declared the method hello as a static. Because the method hello is not doing anything which is specific to an object. A static method can be called with reference of particular object or class name. Let me try this code practically. Open kelsey.java and this is the code. We can call the method hello using the reference variable a1 or we can call the method hello using the class name. Because the method hello is static and not doing any object specific operation. Let me save and compile this code. Java C kelsey.java. Compiles fine, then run it. Java main. It runs fine printing hello and hello. Both times method hello got called and printing hello. We can call the method hello without creating the object. Let me remove the object creation line from here. Now without creating the object of the class add, we are calling the method hello just by using the class name. This is possible because the method hello is the static method and common for all the objects. So we can call the method hello using class name. Let me save and compile this code. Java C kelsey.java. Compiles fine. Now run it. Java main. It runs fine and printing hello. Here we are printing the value of the variable y in the static method hello. The static method do operations which are common for each object and printing the static variable is common for each object because the static variable is common for each object. So this operation is absolutely correct. So we can use the static variables inside the static methods because the static variables are common for each object. Let me try this code practically. Open kelsey.java and just remove the comment. Now write here hello plus y. Save and compile this code. Java C kelsey.java. Compiles fine, then run it. Java main. It runs fine printing hello 4 and hello 4. It is printing the value of the variable y. Since the variable y is static, so this variable y is common for each object and can be printed inside the static method. Here in this code, inside the static method hello, we are printing the value of y and value of x. The static methods do operations which are common for each object. So we cannot use instance variables inside the static methods because instance variables are not common among objects. Let me try this code practically. Open calc.java and write here x. Since x is an object specific variable, so we cannot use it in a method which is not object specific. The method hello is static. The method hello itself is not object specific. Method hello does the work which is common for all the objects. So here we cannot use a variable which is not common for all the objects. We cannot use the instance variable x here. That's how the instance variables are not allowed into the static methods. Let me try to compile this code. Java C calc.java. Compiler throws an error. Non-static variable x cannot be referenced from the static context. We cannot use the non-static variable x from the static method hello. Our favorite method, public static void main string array args, is a static method. So other classes can call the method main without using the object of that class, just by using the class name. Here you can see in this Java file we have two classes, class add and class main. Both classes contains the method public static void main string array args. So we can pass the class name of both the classes to the JVM and both the classes will execute because both the classes have the main method. The main method in the class add first prints main add and then calls main method of the class main by using the class name main. So the main method of the class add calls main.main, that is method main of class main. When you call the main method, you need to pass the string array or you need to pass the null as the actual argument. So here we are passing the null as the actual argument when we are calling the method main. That's how when you compile the file name calc.java, it will create two class files, add.class and main.class. Since both class files have the method main, so we can pass both class names to the JVM. When we pass the class name add to the JVM, then the method main of the class add gets executed and first it prints main add. That's how it prints main add. And then after it calls method main of the class main with null as the actual argument. The method main of the class main prints main main. That's how it prints main main. When we pass the class name main to the JVM, it just executes the method main of the class main and it prints main main. Let me try this code practically. Open calc.java and this is the code. This is the same code as we seen. Let me try to compile this code. Java C calc.java. It compiles fine and creates two files add.class and main.class and both can be passed to the JVM. So first I need to pass the class name add to the JVM. It executes fine and printing main add main main. And when we pass the class name main to the JVM, it prints main main. What will happen if the both main methods call each other one by one? Here in this case the method main of the class add calls the method main of the class main. And ultimately method main of the class main calls the method main of the class add. So these both methods will keep on calling each other and various stack frames will be created on the stack section of the JVM memory. And one time will come when stack becomes overflow and the JVM will throw an error, that is stack overflow error. Let me try this code practically. Open calc.java and here method main of the class add is calling method main of the class main and same thing we need to do in the class main. Method main of the class main should call the method main of the class add. Right here add. Let me save and compile this code. Java C calc.java. Compiles fine. Pass the class name add to the JVM. Java add. The two main methods of two classes keep on calling each other for infinite times. And JVM throws the stack overflow error. Let me pass the class name main to the JVM. The two main methods of two classes keep on calling each other for infinite times. And the JVM throws the stack overflow error. We already have seen about the stack overflow error in the session 4 of Java and Web methods as flow of control. When we pass a class file containing method main to the JVM, then the JVM do not need to create an object of that class to run the method main. The JVM searches for the method main with the signature public static void main with string array as argument and starts running it. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe this channel if you are new, and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.